My tumble dryer broken. It's full of washing. I've put it on and off now a few times. Changed the dial, everything. But it's just not working. But it's under guarantee. I got a 10-year guarantee on it. There's 4 years gone. So I'll have to phone them up and I'll have to put the clothes on the radiators to dry like I used to before. But well, these things happen. So I'll go and do that now, put this off and let them know that it's not working. I've tried everything, but as you can hear the sound, it's not spinning. Okie doke.